Rum Raisin ice cream. Stick around and watch this video and tell them what to do.
Subscribe and click the button.
What we're gonna use to make the Rum Raisin ice cream, we're gonna use. Why are you doing that? We're gonna use vanilla. We're gonna use 2 tablespoons of vanilla. What's this? Salt. This is salt. We're gonna use raisin infused with rum. We have lots of raisin here. This is 1 cup of raisin.
And heavy milk.
And heavy cream.
Heavy cream.
And we have 1 condensed milk. And you're gonna need a whisk, and we're not using any machine to make this ice cream today. So we're gonna make rum and raisin ice cream, and these are our ingredients. And we're gonna start right now. Now we're gonna start by whipping our heavy cream.
Yeah. Can I add it in?
Yeah, I'm gonna make you add it in.
Okay. All of it?
Yeah, all of it. Wait. I don't want you to pour it in the bowl. All of it. Take your time. Take it. No splash. No splash. No splash. Okay, good. I think that's all of it. Okay. And now we're gonna whip this until it's light and fluffy.
Yeah.
And at stiff. We're gonna whisk it until it's at stiff peak. Okay?
Okay. Whisk it, mommy.
Yeah, you're gonna do it. And this is gonna take 7 to 8 minutes. Now you want it just to look like this. You want it to look just like this, guys. See, fluffy and nice.
Comfy tweet. Okay.
You want it reach to this peak, and then you're good. I'm gonna go ahead and add the vanilla. You wanna add it?
Yeah.
Go ahead and add the vanilla.
Not now?
Yeah, add all of it. So I add the vanilla. 2 tablespoons of vanilla. I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of salt.
Yeah.
And we're gonna add the raisin. And these raisins are infused with rum.
Yeah.
White rum. We use white rum, Ray and nephew. We soak them for overnight. Or you can just put them in a pot with some rum or any alcohol you like. And just boil them, let them simmer for 2 minutes to 3 minutes, and then you take them out. And then you're gonna give it a good mix. You're gonna mix it around.
Come on, ice cream mix it.
You're gonna wanna give me a mix, and then I'll give you back?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, I'm just hungry.
I know. And then we're gonna add some condensed milk. We're not gonna use a lot because we don't want it too sweet. No. We're just gonna taste as we go, because we don't want this to be sweet. Oh yes, this is like
Tuna.
So we're gonna add the condensed milk. And this all depends on your liking or your taste, how much condensed milk you want. Because this can get real sweet. No, so if you don't like it real sweet, add less condensed milk or taste as you go. You know?
Yeah.
So we're gonna taste it as. Come on, look at it. See, now we're gonna taste it just to ensure it's not that sweet, but sweet enough to be a dessert. I think this is good. Yeah. I could add a little bit more. What do you think?
I'm trying to eat a bit more.
Just a little bit more, nothing more.
Yep. Give it more to make it taste good.
Yep. Tastes real good.
Like real caramel milk.
So I use 1 cup of raisin and I use about a 1/4 cup of rum. Yeah. You can go ahead and use whatever amount of rum you want to use. Any amount of rum. It depends on your liking or what you like. Now what I'm going to go ahead and do, I'm going to put this in an airtight container. I'm going to clean this up. I'm going to put this into an airtight container. Wait. And I'm going to freeze this for 6
hours.
6 to 8 hours or overnight. I'm going to do mine for 24 hours.
I love ice cream.
I have ice cream too. And this is our Jamaican rum. This is our Jamaican rum and raisin ice cream. And if you want to check out, we have made a grape nut ice cream, so you can go ahead and check that out too. If you like grape nut and you're not a rum and raisin fan, please go and check out our grape nut. And we also make mango ice cream. We have made a lot of ice cream. So please go and check that out. If you haven't,
and I ate a lot of ice cream.
And if you haven't already subscribed, tell them what to do.
Subscribe and click the button.
Subscribe and click the button. Yes. Click that notification bell and
subscribe too.
And go ahead and share.
Share, subscribe.
So I don't think this is that sweet.
Yeah. Mommy.
Okay, and now we're gonna give this a tap. We're just gonna cover this with. Just gonna cover this with our airtight container.
Yep.
And put this in the freezer.
Yep.
And you're gonna have a lovely, beautiful, tasting
ice cream.
Rum and Raisin ice cream. You see how easy this was? Easy and simple. You're gonna have the best tasting Rum and Raisin ice cream
ever.
We'll see you back, guys, when this is frozen. It's been day 2. Welcome back. Day 2, guys. And this is our finished product. Look at that. Look at this. A very nice texture.
Yeah.
And it smells yummy. And now we gotta scoop it up.
And to the ice cream cone.
Yeah, now I'm gonna scoop it up.
Okay, let's scoop it out.
You want this one?
Yep. That's Pinky, my favorite color. But you hold it.
Okay. You wanna get your scoop?
There.
And now we gotta scoop it.
To the ice cream cone.
To the ice cream cone.
Yay!
And now you wanna look at the raisin and look at the rum.
I can eat it. I think there's enough to my ice cream cone. It's yummy. Enough now. Yeah.
You want to taste it for them?
Thank you.
And I'm gonna share some for myself.
Yummy, perfect.
It's perfect?
Yeah.
Ooh, look at the texture, look at this. So good. I'm gonna do one for myself.
You like pink?
Yeah, I like pink too.
I thought green was my favorite color.
Yeah, green is my favorite color, but I'm gonna choose a pink one.
I choose them.
Come on. Now look at that. Look at that. Here's yours, guys. You can have this one. So go ahead and like and share. Give me at least 50 like. Tell them how much like you want.
We got.
Come on, stop making mess. And there you have it, guys. Our Rum and Raisin ice cream. Like, share, leave a comment down below, and subscribe if you aren't already subscribed. Thanks for watching. Tell them bye.
Bye.
Oh, it tastes to you, by the way.
Good.
Oh, you like it?
Simple good.
Bye.
Bye.